Hey, in this quick tutorial I will show you where to find the ammo vendor in Stormwind in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, aka WOTLK Classic. So we have two locations, I have two locations for you, and I will show you the vendor who sells arrows and as well the vendor who sells bullets. So I'm located right now in Stormwind City, in Elven Forest right here, and you will have to get to the trade district. In the trade district we have two locations really close one with each other. We have to enter this building and speak with this NPC, and she will sell arrows. This is the level 1, 10, 25, and 25 is the maximum. The second location is much more, he have more items to sell. So this is the building in the trade district. Let's enter it, and this is the NPC who will have ammo for selling. Let's speak with him, and he will have a bullet. This is the level 1, 10, and also level 25, and as well the level 55 bullet and the 40, and he will have as well arrows for selling, level 1 arrow, 10, 25, 40 and 55 arrow. So this is the location where you can buy ammo in Stormwind, in WOTLK, where you can buy arrows and where you can buy bullets. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.